What's up guys? Rich Styles here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to not repeat dance moves. So how do I not repeat dance moves? That's a good question, words on the screen. Now there are too many ways to not repeat dance moves. I mean, come on, look at this notebook. It's full of ways. But check it, I distilled it down to the most important things that I think you can use right now. Here are 5 tips, because everyone likes lists. Here we go! Okay, number 1, learn your foundation. Take class, take my class. Get your basics down. Also learn as many dance styles as possible. So the main thing here is you want to understand the rules of dance so that you can break them, because that's where the fun is. Number 2, now this is a mindset shift, alright? So once you learn your foundation and you got your technique down, I want you to take everything that you've learned and just throw it out the window. Just kidding, not really. Now, I don't want you to think about moves anymore. I want you to think about movement. Movement. Deep water, my friend. Example, I'm not going to do the wave anymore. Instead, I'm just going to move and dance while using the concept of waving. Number 3, change the feel of the move that you're trying to do. What I mean by that is I want you to play with different textures, alright? So this type of wave doesn't look the same as this type of wave. You know why? Because I'm using different kinds of tension. So if you don't know, learn how to tense your body in different ways so you can get different kinds of results. On top of that, you can do your waves big and small, or fast and slow, and you know, just contrast your moves. Yep. What are we on, number 4? Number 4, if you're stuck, take 2 different styles and then mash them together. Mash them, you know, remix that ish. Take waving and tutting and then make wutting. What? It's not working out. Take waving and tutting and then make wave tutting. Take waving and grooving and make wave grooves, you know, something like that. Number 5, last but not least, this is something I like to keep in my back pocket, especially when I'm already out on the dance floor freestyling or doing something and I have no idea what I'm trying to do. It's called the rule of 3s. That's right folks, not only does it work in horrible comedy, but it also works in dance. Alright, so the idea here is you want to take whatever move you're trying to do and you want to do it twice. This gives you time to think about what you're gonna do next, or you know, gives you time to breathe a little, slow down. Then on the 3rd one, I want you to flip it on them. There you have it. Those are my 5 tips on how to not repeat dance moves. This is not an extensive list, obviously. There's so many ways, but these I think are the easiest things that you can do and implement in your dance style right now. Great, you are one step closer to being better than me. Now remember, these are just concepts. Make sure that you know your foundation, make sure you know the style that you're doing, make sure that you know you get good knowledge, learn your vocabulary and all that stuff. Take my class, take somebody else's class who's better than me. Just learn, just keep learning. Hopefully this will get you unstuck, so don't give up, alright? And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, okay, well, later. I like number 13 here. It says, stop being a bitch.